Hey everyone, so in this Google Slides guide, I'm going to show you how to lock an image in place, basically, so it can't move or get edited by mistake. And yeah, this will be really simple, so let's dive in. First, open the presentation where you want to lock the image. And I mean, it can be any slide. You just need the one that has the picture you want to freeze. So, just a quick thing. Google Slides doesn't have a built-in lock button like some other apps, but there's a simple workaround that everyone uses and it works great. We're basically going to set the image as the slide background so it can't be moved at all. Before you lock it, you need the actual image file. So just right-click the picture and download it. Or use the original file if you already have it. Either one works. Now head over to the toolbar and click on Background. It's usually right above your slide. Yeah, near the layout and theme options. When the window pops up, choose Image, then upload the picture you want to lock. Google Slides will stretch it to fit the slide, and once it loads, it becomes fully locked in place. So, after the background loads, just delete the original version of the image if it's still sitting on top of the slide. The background one is the locked one, so you won't need the old copy anymore. Now try clicking and dragging it. You'll notice nothing moves. The image is completely locked, and yeah, it won't shift no matter what you place on top. If you want to lock a layout with several pieces like shapes or icons, just take a quick screenshot of the entire layout and set that as your background too. It's a nice little shortcut, and that's pretty much it. That's how you lock any image in Google Slides, nice and simple. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out the other Google Slides guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.